Plamfy App Review. So if you want to know about the Plamfy app, then here's the guide. First, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, now you can just simply go with search, which is on the bottom right, and tap on search apps and games, which is on the top. And here, you need to search for Plamfy application. After searching, you will have the application. So this is the Plamfy application. It's a live stream video chat. Now, after installing the application, you'll be able to watch live streams 24/7, and you can connect, you can make friends and join party. You can watch, connect, support, chat, battle, or go live. It's a live stream video chat application, right? So if you want to know more about the application, you can go with about this app, tap on the arrow, and here you will have the information about the application. Now, if you scroll down, then here you will have a lot of more information like the registration, the login, the follows, the app info, the version, downloads. As you can see that the download size is only 86 MB, so that it won't be a burden for you. The reviews are pretty good. And if you scroll down here, you will have the ratings and reviews, which are pretty good. Now, if you want to install the application, you can just simply tap on the install, and it might install in a few seconds or a few minutes. And after that, you can create your account if you don't have an account. And if you already have an account, you can go with login and log into your account and use the application to live stream. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.